Kachina and the red Kachina. Drawing closer. What a trip. It's a beautiful sunset. It's like February 8th, 2012. And blue and red Kachina. I just had another YouTuber point this out to me, and well, looky. Well, Sawyer's hungry, and so am I. Peace. Check it out. There's something you don't see every day. I've never seen a Selena swap vehicle. Interesting. I have no idea what's going on. But I figured I'd capture that. Crazy. The street's blocked off. Gotta love when 3 dudes in camos with automatic weapons pile out of a violence suppression unit. I think that would suppress anything violent and more. Looks like the party's rolling up. I have no idea what's going on. None. I guess it's on. I walked away for a moment. And they're all moving in. Crazy. Well, here we are a few hours later. Whatever went down has passed. I don't know. No idea what happened. But I don't know if you can see it. The news is here, so something happened. There's a tower right there off a truck. Anyway, figured I'd take a closing shot. Peace.